What is up everybody, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can download Uber Eats app. So basically, before I tell you guys how you guys can download it, let me tell you what Uber Eats is. Uber Eats is an American online food ordering and delivery platform which is launched by Uber, which was basically a transportation app in 2014 and based in San Francisco, California. Alright, so that's a short form of Uber Eats, but if you want to know more, you can always go to Uber Eats Wikipedia. So this video is not about explaining what Uber Eats is. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download the app. But before I show you the way, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And without any further ado, let's start the video. So yeah, to download Uber Eats, basically you want to go to your Play Store or App Store, whichever thing you are using. Android is Play Store, if you're using iOS it's App Store. Once you're in either one of it, you want to search for Uber Eats, alright? Once you search for Uber Eats, this is going to be the app, Uber Eats Food Delivery. What you want to do is click on where it says install. Once you click on install, wait for it until it installs, alright? So it's installing on my phone, wait for some time. Once this app is downloaded and it installs, you want to click on open. And once it opens, basically what you want to do is log into your Uber Eats accounts and you're good to go. So that's basically how you guys can download Uber Eats account.